What's up, guys? Matt Buskey's here, Ghost Pro. I have 20 minutes to rest. To have to stop this. So, woo! Oh, hood hair. Yeah. So yeah, that's a new one. Arizona. Yeah, I'm using a keyboard that, $120 for the keyboard. It's actually nice, Bluetooth. No way of stopping the video with it though. Yeah, I use it for the, I guess I'm gonna use it for recording if you guys can hear me, so yeah, test it out. Yeah. Lunas. Yeah. I'm working on fixing some things for a YouTube series I'm doing on a YouTube show. MW3. Hey, oh, where's that other piece? There it is. Turns out this was my bad one, so if you guys want to play MW3 with me, Verdantmail70 on YouTube, Xbox Live. I do not play PS3 because it sucks. Too many hackers on PlayStation Network, so. And, my Minecraft server's up. I have to get the map working again. It says saving chunks every time I open it, so. And I have the currency worked out and everything. You pay lapis for everything. And you have to buy stuff with lapis. Well, yeah. Black Ops poster. Scam here. Pretty sure you guys read that. Ah, God. Anyway, airsoft. Ear protection that protects me from getting shot in the ears. Me. And wait 1 second. Pick Ghost from both games. Lol. Yeah, MW2 and Black Ops, and this makes it kind of hard to hear. So I'm just gonna pop you out the keyboard, recap everything. Okay, yeah, I'm also getting a new airsoft gun too, so. Okay. No one's watching me. So yeah. Brightness. Ooh, cookies. Yeah. Hard cookies. Been there for like an hour. I was just playing MW3, pony with a Scar L Durganov and a FMG9 keyboard. Yeah. I gotta sort out my stuff. Come on. No, it's been a weekend, so I go back to school tomorrow. I have to go over with the other person that helps me with the currency and everything on my server. So yeah, 4 minutes. If you sneeze during this video, bless you. If you have an open Minecraft server, leave the IP address in the description. Even more brightness. This counts for 2 vlogs. If I make it go twice as long, now that'll go forever. I'm gonna pay this back before I launch it. Still post it. See ya. Boop.